Hi, I'm Nicola Dale. I'm an artist based in Manchester and I work here at Manchester Art Gallery. I've chosen today to stand in front of Morning Sun, Buenos Aires, which, as you can see, is a gorgeous painting full of colour, but more importantly to me, full of movement as well. So, like many other people, I study art at school. So I've got GCSE and A-level. Then I went on to university and I've got a BA and an MA from Manchester School of Art. But the thing about being an artist is that it's a really long and windy road. So I've had lots of different phases of my art career. I've been in art studios and I've exhibited and I've done commissions and I've done residencies all over the place. But I always seem to end up back here in Manchester, which is home. I have worked in all sorts of media, but primarily I work with objects, so I make sculptures, and I also do performance. And at the moment, I'm really interested in bringing those two things together. I absolutely love making art with school groups. One of the reasons that I do it is because I was really lucky to have some amazing teachers and I've had some amazing experiences with other artists as an artist myself, and I really want to pass that knowledge on. The other thing that I really enjoy about working with school groups is that it can be completely unpredictable. No session is ever the same. They can be lively, they can be chaotic, they can be surprising, they can be funny, they can be hard work, but I really enjoy the energy that people from schools and colleges bring to the art gallery, because there's so much that people know already, but there's also so much that I can share, and I really enjoy seeing that knowledge light up people's faces and help them change their understanding of what they see in the gallery. So at the moment, I'm working with schools on a performative tour of the gallery. And I take students around the gallery and we stop at different artworks, like this one, for example. And at each artwork, what I'm encouraging the students to do is use their own bodies to think about what it is to be an artwork, what it's like to have all that movement, have all that colour, have all those things going on. So sometimes together we'll think about movement, sometimes together we'll think about pose and poise. Sometimes we'll take a look at some strange objects that may look familiar, but on closer inspection are actually really odd. We do all sorts of things around the gallery and we cover quite a lot of time span as well. And I really enjoy sharing how art that's from a long time ago, as well as art that's quite new, can be understood if you just take the time to think about yourself and your relationship to that art. So it's kind of opening up artworks that might otherwise seem a bit unfamiliar or strange or difficult. Well, when school groups meet me, I think they're sometimes quite surprised that you can actually use your body to understand artworks. So, for example, if I imagine hauling up the sail on a boat, it helps me think about the strength of the people shown in this picture, makes me think about the sweat in this picture in a way that I wouldn't appreciate if I wasn't physically working. So it's really about getting the students to enjoy themselves being an audience in the art gallery, because quite often our focus in galleries is on the artwork, but the audience for artwork, the viewer of the artwork, is as important. And that's what makes galleries come alive, and that's what makes artwork come alive as well.